All right, guys, now that you've had a chance to try this problem on your own, we're going to do it together. First thing I'm noticing is that I have variables on both sides of my equation. If I have variables on both sides, just like we talked about last lesson, I'm going to get rid of one of them, all right, because I can only have them on one side in order to solve this. Now, in order to get rid of one of them, what I mean by that is I need to find the smaller one and do the opposite of it. So what I mean by that is I have my 3n and my 6n. The 3n is obviously smaller. So in order to get rid of it, I'm going to subtract 3n. If this was a negative 3n, I would have added 3n. But in this case, since it's positive, I'm going to subtract it. Notice how I lined up my minus 3n under my 6n, because this is where my subtraction is happening. This plus 3 just drops down. Okay? It can't be used. These cancel out because 3n take away 3n is 0, and all I have left is my 4. That comes down here. All right. So 6n take away 3n's is 3n's. I still have my plus 3. I drop that down. I need my equal sign on the line. Don't forget that. Equal sign on the line. Next side is a 4. Okay, and now I have what looks like a very easy regular two-step equation. First thing I'm going to get rid of or undo is this plus 3 by subtracting 3 on both sides. If you need your do-undo table at this point, absolutely do it. We're into the two-step equations, and we like to use our do-undo table. So if you like using that, use it. Okay, 3 take away 3 is 0, so all I have left on this side is my 3n and my equal sign. Don't forget, equal sign on the line. All right, 4 take away 3 gives me 1. And I am almost done with my two-step equation. I've done the first step. I need to do the second. Second is going to be dividing by the number that's next to the variable. So dividing by 3, and that's a really awful 3. So let's use our equation editor here, 3. And then again, slash and a 3. Don't forget to put your slashes. Your slashes means divide. Okay, don't just put a whole line underneath. That is for subtraction. These slashes are division. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So these cancel out. All I'm left with is just my n, which is what I wanted. And 1 divided by 3, if I try that in my calculator, oops, divided by 3, that's going to give me this repeated decimal. Remember, you can always click this to convert it back to a fraction. We don't like repeating decimals, so we always do fractions. This is going to take me right back to 1/3. This is actually a fully reduced fraction, so my answer is 1/3. Okay, and I'm going to box it in. Okay, you guys are going to get a chance to move on to the next type of problem here, which is distributive property. I'm going to go through one together, and then you guys are going to get a chance to do it on your own. So I will see you in the next video.